Welcome back to part 4 of the eBay comic book stockpile. We got this first X-Men right here, Storm cover. Not sure, I don't think it's a key or anything, just like the cover. Cover price, I believe, or less. Might have been from eBay, I believe, from a seller that I bought a couple books from. So this is one of them. This next one here, another eBay. I believe we got a couple books in this one. Yes, this is the new Avengers Hickman run. I did not really see any information except on eBay on this. I did look at Key Collector, but they just had the one cover. They didn't have this variant cover, which I'm assuming is like a 4th or 5th print. I believe it's actually on the barcode, but I like the cover. It's a pretty sweet cover. Got the Avengers on the front, I think the Illuminati actually, and the different multiverse Earths. This one's a cover price, Batman cover, just like the cover. Pretty dope. Not sure what this one is yet. I do want to take this time and appreciate everyone who has subscribed and liked. It is much appreciated. Okay, this is the My Comic Book Shop order. First mention of the Doom Parliament, which is the FF run, I believe from 2011. This one's a homage to the Enter the Dragon Wolverine cover. Some of these are cover buys, some of these are hard specs. And this is another FF number 1. This is I didn't see the cover on the Key Collector. Sometimes they don't have the variants on there. This one's just about cover price. Hard spec. For the Future Foundation. Just a hard spec. Now this one I find interesting because I don't see a lot of people talk about it, but it is supposedly the first appearance, and it is canon, of the Deviants, the Mutants, the Eternals, etc. I did see a couple sales for about 30 bucks. I believe I got mine for about 15 back when I ordered this in 2021. And this one is the new Avengers Illuminati. Again, they're just hard specs. Was on mycomicbookshop.com, just browsing, kind of seeing if anything piqued my interest, and a couple issues did. So I grabbed them. And I believe there's you can order as much as you want and the shipping stays the same. So again, I did not see this variant except on eBay, and it wasn't in the key collector, and I think it's better than the one that's priced at 30 in the key collector, but you know, that's just my opinion. Again, I appreciate everybody here. This is just the alien. This one right here is just the alien. I believe is the first. There is a key. It is a key, but it's like about a new race of alien, and they're always evolving. So I guess this is like the next evolution in them. Another hard spec. Not really spec, to be honest. I do appreciate everybody. Please subscribe, like. Thank you very much for watching.